Welcome to Teacher Jessa's channel. This tutorial is about adding 2 without using your fingers in getting the sum of the given numbers. This is written vertically. The upper two numbers are the addends. Below these numbers is your bar line that represents your equal sign. And this third number is your sum. The plus here is your addition sign. Here is your number 2. We will start by placing dots on your number 2. One here and one here. Now, let's count the dots. 1, 2. So now your 2 has 2 dots. Let us begin adding 2 to a number. Put dots on number 2. Then, let's count starting from the top number. Our top number is 0, so let's start from 0. 0, 1, 2. Now, our sum is 2. Let's write it down here. 2. Now, let us add 2 to our number 1. Put 2 dots. 1, 2. Then, start counting from the first number, which is number 1, 2, 3. The answer is 3. Let's add 2 to number 3. Again, put 2 dots on number 2. Now you have the dots, so we can add the numbers. Let's start counting from 3, because this is number 3. 4, 5. Your sum now is 5. Now it's time to add 2 to number 4. Let's put the dots. I'm going to use a blue pen this time. Dot here and dot here. Now you have the dots, so let's count. Starting from 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6. Our number now is 6 plus 2. Let's put the dots on number 2. One dot, another dot. There you have the dots. Then let's count. Starting from 6, then 7, 8. So the answer is 8. We have here 8 plus 2. Let's put the dots in our number 2. Now you have the dots again on your number 2, so it's time to add the numbers. Let's count from 8, 9, 10. The answer is 10. So let's put 10 here. Our next number is 11 plus 2. Let's put the dots on number 2. 1, 2. Okay, after putting the dots, let's count. We have 11, 12, 13. So the answer is 13. Our next number is 13 plus 2. Again, let's put the dots on number 2. Now, let's count. 13, 14, 15. So the answer is 15. Okay, we have 16 plus 2. Our number is getting higher. So again, let's put dots on number 2. 1 and 2. Now that we have the dots, let's count from 16. So we have 16, 17, 18. So the answer is 18. Adding 2 is very easy. Just put 2 dots on your number 2, then you can start counting from your first number, then to the second number. Okay, let's do it again. Let's write dots on number 2. 1, 2. Okay, then let's count. 18, 19, 20. So the answer is 20. Okay, so that's very easy. No need to spread those fingers to count when you are doing addition of 2 to any number. Thank you for watching. This is Teacher Jessa asking you to please like and subscribe on my channel.